हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो? आपका स्वागत है त्रिपान स्टडी सेंटर में। आज जो हम करने जा रहे हैं सोशल सर्टिफिकेशन यानी सामाजिक सतीकरण, काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है ये टॉपिक हर एक क्लास के बच्चों के लिए महत्वपूर्ण रहेगा। आज हम इसमें मीनिंग, टाइप्स, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स सारे विषय में विस्तार पर चर्चा करेंगे और हर एक पहलू पर जो है नज़र डालेंगे। इसमें देखा जाए तो ये हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों ही माध्यम में आपके समक्ष रहेगा, तो ये काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण रहेगा। ये पॉइंट व्यू रहेगा तो ये और भी काफ़ी महत्व रखेगा। लेकिन आपको पता है, टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक बात जो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, जिसको आपको सोचना भी चाहिए, विचार भी करना चाहिए और इवन अमल भी करना चाहिए, वो ये है कि जब भी वीडियो देखिए पूरा देखिए, क्योंकि अधूरा जानकारी सदैव खतरनाक होता है। साथ में एक इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये भी रहता है, अगर आप पहली बार वीडियो देख रहे हो तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, क्योंकि दोस्तों लाइक कीजिएगा तो बनाने वाले का मनोबल बढ़ता है, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा तो इससे ये होता है कि जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो डालूंगा उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको समय रहते मिल जाएगा। और देखिए, शेयर का मतलब ये होता है कि आपके थ्रू ना जाने किन बच्चों को हेल्प मिल जाए, ये आप भी नहीं जानोगे, इसलिए जो है आप शेयर जरूर करो, ठीक है। व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस पे भी लगाओ। दोस्तों आरएनएस सेंटर जो कई मानने में बहुत से बच्चों के लिए हेल्पफुल है, चाहे वो 8th क्लास हो, 9th 10th 11th 12th हो, चाहे वो एनआईएस बोर्ड के बच्चे हों, ठीक है, चाहे बीए एमए के बच्चे हो, सभी क्लासों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ जो है त्रिपान सेंटर में उपलब्ध है। तो इसलिए आपके लिए ज़रूरी है कि आप सब्सक्राइब करके इसको चैनल को जो है सेव कर लो, नहीं तो बाद में अगर रिसर्च करोगे तो शायद आपको ये चैनल प्राप्त ना हो। तो इसलिए सोचना नहीं, विचार नहीं करना है, सब्सक्राइब करके जो है अपने पास सेव करना है। दोस्तों ये तो बात था आपके लिए, लेकिन आप देखते हैं हमारा आज टॉपिक क्या है। टुडे वी डिस्कशन मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक हियर, सोशल सर्टिफिकेशन। You know that social certification for the important for the all class and all examinations here. You know that according to the social certification, the point arrive here, introduction. First of all here, intro. You mean in all societies people differ from each other. The all societies people differ from each other on the basis of their age, sex and personal characteristics. Human societies are not a homogeneous. Human societies are not a homogeneous but heterogeneous. Apart from the nature of difference, human beings are also differentiated according to the social approval criteria. You know that's important. There's a human society is not a homogeneous but heterogeneous. And apart from the natural difference, human beings are also differentiated according to the social approval criteria. That's important here. The next year, social stratification. So, socially differentiated men are treated as a socially unequal from the point of view of enjoyment of social rewards like a status, power, income, etc. That's important here. They're treated as a social unequal from the point of view of enjoyment of social rewards like a status, power, income, etc. That may be called social inequality. That may be called social inequality. The term social inequality simply refers to the extent of socially created inequality. That's important here. The social stratifications here, they are treated as a social unequal from the point of view of enjoyment of social reward like a status, power, income and etc. First of all, see here meanings. The meaning is a most important for a social certification. The social certification is a particular from a social inequality. Social certification is a particular from a social inequality. All the society arrange their members in the term of superiority, inferiority and equality. That's the most important three terms here. Superiority, inferiority and equality. Stratification is the process of interaction or differentiation whereby some people come to rank higher than to the other. That's important. The people come to rank higher than others. In one words, when the individual and group are ranked according to the some commonly accepted basis of the valuation in the hierarchy of status labels based upon there is an inequality of social position. Social stratification occur. That's important. That is status level based upon their inequality of social position and social stratification occurs. Social stratification mean division of society into different stratas or layers. It involves a hierarchy of social groups. Members of particular layer have a common identity. They have a similar lifestyle. They have a similar lifestyle. The Indian caste system provide an example of stratification system. You know that there is an important. The Indian caste system provides an example of stratification system. The society in which the division of social classes exist is known as a stratified society. The society in which the division of social classes exist is known as a stratified society. Modern stratification fundamentally differ from to stratification of primitive society. That's important here. Modern stratification fundamentally differ from stratification of primitive societies here. Social stratification involve two phenomena. That's important here. Social stratification involve here two phenomena. That's important. Differentiation of individual or groups on the basis of the positions of content characteristics, and whereby some individual or group come to be ranked higher than to the other. That's important. Some individual or groups come to be ranked higher than to others. The ranking of individual according to the some basis of evolution. That's important here. The ranking of individual according to the some basis of evolution. Sociologists are concerned not merely with the fact of social difference, but also with there is a social evolution. Sociologists are concerned not merely with the fact of social difference, but also with their social evolution here. Let's see a definitions here. Definition is the most important. First definition here, Ogobons and Nikov. That's important here. Ogobons and Nikovs here. The process by which the individual and group are ranked in a more or less enduring hierarchies of status is known as the stratification. That's important here. The process by which the individual and group are ranked in a more or less enduring hierarchies of status is known as the stratification. The given here definition here, Ogboms and Nikov. And the next here, the Landmark, that's important. The Landmark say there, a stratified society is one marked by the inequality by difference among the people that are evaluated by them as the beginning, lower and higher. That's important definition given by the Landmark here. There is a lower and higher here. And the next here, Gisbert. Gisbert say a social stratification is the division of society into permanent group of characterized linked with each other by the relationship of superiority and subordinations here. That's important given the definition Gisbert here. Social stratification is a division of society into permanent groups of categories linked with each others by the relationship of superiority and subordinations here. And the next definition here, Williams, that's important. Williams has given has a definition. Social stratification referred to the ranking of individuals on a scale of superiority, inferiority, and equality. There is a three bases here: superiority, inferiority, and equality, according to some common accepted basis of relations here. This important is given here definitions of social stratification by Williams. And the next here, Raymond's B. Mewis. This is important. The Raymond's is giving here social stratification is a horizontal division of society into higher and lower social unit. That's important. The Raymond's is given here social stratification is a horizontal division of society into the higher and lower social unit. The next here, Melvin's M. Schumann, that's important thinkers here. And he say social stratification refer to the arrangement of any social group or society into hierarchy of positions that are unequal with regard to power, property, social evolution, and physiognomic gratifications here. That's important given definition here. And the next here, origin of stratification. You know that's important. Origin of stratification. Regarding the origin of stratification, many views have been given. You know that is origin of stratification. That's important. The social stratification is origin here. That's important. And first point asked here, according to the Davis, social stratification has come into beginning due to the functional necessity of social system. That's important. According to Davis, social stratification has come into the beginning due to the functional necessity of the social system. And Professor Shorkin attributed a social stratification mainly to the inherited difference in environmental condition. That's important definition here. Professor Shorkin's here. There is given here. There is social stratification mainly to the inherited or difference in environmental condition. According to Karl Marx, social factors are responsible for the emergence of different social strata and social stratification. You know that there is a Karl Marx, there is a most important given a definition here, and he say social factors are responsible for the emergence of different social strata, means social stratification. And Gamplozos as other contended that origin of social stratification is to be found in the conquest of one group by another. That's important. The Gamplozos as there is a here origin of social stratification is not
this topic was till this. We will do there are next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe, and save in your mobile.
Positive in terms of function and power. There is according to the Spengler, there is a most important given here. Or positive is a term of function and power here. And racial difference accompanied by the dissimilarity also lead to be stratification. Racial is here difference accompanied by dissimilarity also lead to be stratification. That's important here.
This topic was till this. We will do there are next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe, and save in your mobile. Thank you.